Welcome to another video of our multi-part series where we introduce you to age-friendly ideas that you can use around your home to increase safety and help you maintain your lifestyle. Each video will explore different areas of your home, from entrances to bathrooms to home technology and more. And we will give options to improve your home life, ranging from quick fixes to projects where you may need additional help. Today, we will focus on smart home technology, how it can help, how it works, and where to get more information. Home tech can be a useful addition to age-friendly home features themselves, which we review in our other videos. We think home technology can be useful in 5 different areas by adding ease of use and convenience to our lives. First, maintaining our social connections with family and friends. Second, maintaining our safety, avoiding injury. Third, maintaining our security, preventing criminal activity for ourselves, our home, and our possessions. Fourth, managing our home systems such as heating and ventilating, lighting, entertainment, and maintenance. And finally, maintaining our health and accessing healthcare services. Today, you can adjust your thermostat, turn on your favorite radio station, or even add something to your shopping list without having to leave your favorite chair. Thanks to advances in smart home technology, all of these and many more are now possible and easier to set up than you might imagine. Many of the systems are scalable and adaptable. You can start small and add features and functionality as needed. These days, many of us have a Wi-Fi system that wirelessly brings internet into each room of our home via a single device, such as a router. A number of different companies make Wi-Fi-enabled smart devices, such as a smartphone, a tablet, or a smartwatch. Home technology is also able to provide real-time information and perform home-based tasks using voice command devices. To access and enable home technology functions in your house, you'll need an internet connection, Wi-Fi, and either a smartphone or tablet, a smartwatch, or a voice-controlled device. So let's talk about the home technology functions. We'll start with communications, which means via voice or text, social media, email, and now video. You can access these functions with most smart devices, a smartphone, a tablet, or even your voice-controlled devices. This means that you can see and hear the people you're talking to from any room in the house and from several different devices if you'd like. Next, home safety. Being safe at home is about how we keep ourselves from becoming injured in and around our homes. Adding motion-detecting night lights and lights in hallways, on stairs, and outside can help us see where we're going and avoid slips, trips, and falls. You can add lighting and lighting controls by using smart bulbs, smart fixtures, and even smart outlets. You can control these features from any of the devices that we've mentioned. Smart smoke detectors not only provide visual and audible alarms, but they can send alerts directly to your phone, letting you know of a problem even if you're away from home. A smart smoke detector will also let you reset the device without having to climb on a ladder. There are a variety of help systems that are available these days. You can wear them around your neck or on your wrist, and they can let you contact someone in an emergency or even send an alert automatically if they sense you're having a problem. These new technologies work around the home, and some have the added feature of working even when you're away from home. There is also technology available for a loved one, which can send an alert in case of wandering. Home security means avoiding criminal activity, whether it's through remote locking devices, alerts, video surveillance, or once again, through lighting. Remote operating electric door locks allow you to see if a door is locked or unlocked and change that remotely. If you're not able to get to the door, you can unlock the door remotely to let someone in. If you've left the house and can't remember if you've locked the door, you can also check that and lock it if necessary from your phone. Front door video surveillance is becoming more popular and can provide a real sense of security by letting you see and talk to people who are at the door. There are also recording features and remote options for when you're away from home. Video cameras can be mounted inside and outside of the home, and alerts can be placed at doors and windows so you know when they're opened. Once again, motion-detecting exterior lights can be useful. In the entertainment area, home technology can connect together TV, radio, music, and cable and streaming services so that you can wirelessly access those services in any part of your home. One piece of good news for heating, ventilating, and air conditioning is that modern wall-mounted thermostats are much easier to see and simpler to use than they used to be. And many modern thermostats are Wi-Fi connected with apps that you can download onto your phone to control your heating and air conditioning from all over the house and from around the corner. You don't have to worry if you left the air conditioning on or off. You can check the temperature and change the settings from anywhere. The kitchen and laundry also have a lot of new smart appliances and devices, all Wi-Fi enabled. We say that these items in our homes are part of the Internet of Things, or IoT, items that are connected to each other and to the Internet, usually wirelessly. They include the oven, refrigerator, microwave, toaster ovens, air fryers, pressure cookers, coffee machines, and dishwashers. With the cooking appliances, you can start and stop them and adjust the temperature. The smart refrigerator will tell you if you left the door open and even if there's spoiled food. In the laundry, you can start and stop a load, change settings, and monitor the vent function on your dryer. Technology can help with home maintenance too. The first robot-like device that many of us may own are those little vacuum robots that scoot around the house, cleaning up after us. A lot of those are now Wi-Fi enabled and becoming smarter all the time. As we indicated earlier, you can control practically all the lighting in your home from your phone. What if you have a hard time opening and closing windows and shades? Home technology can open and close windows and skylights and even adjust your blinds. As we've suggested, and as you may be experiencing, we rely more and more on electricity and reliable electrical service. At the same time, many of us have concerns about the stability of our electrical grid. Homeowners that have experienced extended power outages are increasingly opting to install emergency power generators. You can choose between whole house systems or less costly smaller generators that will service a portion of your home's electrical needs. These generators might ensure continuous refrigeration for food, but might be critical if any medication needs to be kept at low temperatures. We're told that our homes will increasingly become the place of clinical healthcare services delivery. Our experience with COVID seemed to accelerate this idea because in-person healthcare services were not as easily accessible. Home technology can support telemedicine and telehealth. The home delivery of health services can occur via telephone, but especially using video on a laptop, tablet, or phone. A video conference with a doctor or nurse can be very effective and can avoid a possibly difficult trip to the clinic or hospital. Wearable devices can monitor heart rate, exercise, sleep patterns, falls, and even stress levels. From the examples that we have shown you, you can see how much capability exists right now with home technology. And we've given you some glimpses of where it's going and the more dominant role that home technology might play in the future. But one of the challenges with home technology is cost. But it's possible to access some of the home technology functions at a far lower cost. If you already have internet, a smartphone, and Wi-Fi in your home, many of the voice control devices cost less than $100. The front door video systems start between $200 and $400, and a robot vacuum can be had for less than $500. If you're contemplating any kind of significant purchase that is technically challenging, consider hiring installation assistance if it's needed and if it's affordable to you. There are several national chains that offer installation services, often beginning at surprisingly reasonable prices. If you're not sure about how far you want to go with home technology, start small. Begin with these less expensive voice control and communications devices and see how it goes. There is no area of age-friendly home features that change more rapidly than the products that go into your home, and especially home technology products. Stay on top of these frequent changes in product offerings and technology features by going to these information sources. Today we showed you a number of smart home technology products and features, what they can do for you, and where to get help and more information.
Thank you for joining our video series where we explore ways to make your house a lifelong home. We're excited to be able to provide you with lots of affordable and accessible ideas and options to make your home age-friendly for you, your family, and your guests, so you can enjoy your home and community for years to come. See you next time.